My name's Russel Stanton and I'm a finance executive from Australia, as you can probably tell from the accent, and I'm involved in the human services sector. Adaptive lets us address the issue in human services where resources are always limited but demand is growing. Adaptive enables us to look forward into the future at our business and to be able to get the best value for the services that we can deliver. What I found particularly led me towards Adaptive was what I call the straight A's. Adaptive is achievable, it's really straightforward and easy to implement. It's accessible, you can approach it anywhere, anytime, especially with the tablet application. It's very accommodating, it's very flexible, you can put different business models through the same instance, you can run different views of the same information. And finally, it's attractive. The product's always being developed and we've got these wonderful new things that we've seen with Discovery and in particular Office Connect. You know, Hyperion being soaked up with Oracle, Business Objects getting soaked up with SAP. That doesn't improve those products, it sets them backwards. And Adaptive, nothing to do with that out on the cloud. Our use of Adaptive has enabled us to take a longer term view of the organisation, to look at our funding and to be able to get rid of many Excel spreadsheets, 100 or more, and that's freed up the time to be able to focus on what we should be focusing on, which is the future. Adaptive has enabled the finance group to be a more strategic business partner rather than just a backroom services provider. It's enabled us to look at the future, it's enabled us to say, these are your forecasts. What Adaptive has enabled us to do is to be able to report to our executive based on what's going to happen tomorrow. We always look at the forecasts. We don't talk to the executive about where we are today, we talk about where we want to be tomorrow. That's what Adaptive has meant for us. We do that efficiently, effectively, and the business looks forward. Another of the benefits that we get from Adaptive with that consistency is that we get a single source of truth for where we think the organisation will look financially in the future. We have a number of different systems that help us look at other aspects of the organisation. The source of truth for forecasts is Adaptive.